Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. Today we're doing puzzle number 5. If we start with this column, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this top row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. The 1 is covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. I don't see any help, so 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 5, 8. No help here. 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, and 8 here. So this is our 7. 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. So we can get rid of the 7 and 8 here and the 8 here. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here. So 2, 9, same here, 2, 9. 6 here, so 1, 2, 9. So that means the only place the 6 can be in this box is here. That makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 7 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 5, 7, 8. And same here, 5, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 1 and 4 here, so 5, 7. 1, 5, and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 1, 5. 5 here, so 1, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We have 3, 6, and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help, so 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. But with that 2, that makes this our 6. And then that 6 makes this our 2, and that 6 makes this our 9, 6, and 2, 9, 1. That 1 makes this our 5, 7, 1. We can do some cleanup here. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. With that 8, oh, we already got rid of that 8. Anything else? Not that I see. If we look at this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, 8, 9. We've got a 2 here and an 8 here. So 7, 9. 8, 9 here. So 2, 7. 7 here. So 2, 8, 9. And 2 here. So 7, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so 4, 9. 9 here, so 2, 3, 4. 3 here, so 2, 4, 9. 2 and 3 here, so 4, 9. If we look now, the only place the 3 can be in that row is here. The only place the 2 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 2. And in this box, the only place the 2 can be is here. All right. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 7 here, so 6, 8. 7 here, so 5, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. And I don't see any help, so 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And for this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 5, 8. Same here, 5, 8. 1, 5, and 8 here means this is our 6. And our 1 can't be anywhere else in that row, so it's here. So let's see where we can go now. So the 6 makes this our 8, 9, 3, 9, and the 3 and 8 makes this our 4, 8, 3. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. 5 and 8 makes this our 6. 8 makes this our 5, 8. And the 5 and 8 makes this our 7, 5. This 9 makes this our 4, 7, 8. 7 makes this our 4, 9, and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.